How to get oil stains out of clothes. Before you store your seasonal clothes, make sure to get all the stains out. Pizza lovers and bacon buffs know it best. It's easy to get grease or oil stains on your clothes. Next time you're enjoying a slice of za, don't panic. Oil stains might be tougher than the average stain, but they're not impossible. Here's how to get grease stains out of clothes quickly and easily. Step 1. Don't scrub the stain. Instead, apply pressure with a napkin in a blotting motion to soak up excess oil. If you're out to eat and a solid grease particle, like butter or cheese, falls on you, remove it immediately. As soon as you can, head to the laundry room and pre-treat the stain. Step 2. Apply baking soda to the stain. Apply a layer of baking soda or cornstarch to the stain. Let sit for 15 to 30 minutes, brush it off, inspect the stain, and repeat if necessary. Step 3. Apply dish soap to the stain. Apply dish soap or a solvent-based stain remover to the grease stain. Rub it in with your fingers. Step 4. Wash on hot. Toss your garment into the washing machine and run it on the hottest setting the fabric allows. If your clothing piece is sensitive, wash it by hand. Step 5. Check the stain before drying. Inspect your clothing before you put it in the dryer, as drying will set the stain if it's still there. Reapply baking soda and wash a second time if necessary. And that's it! We said it was easy, didn't we? Check out more tips and tricks on the Secure Care blog.